Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Math Paper 1 higher for November 2021. So today I'll be going through question 20, which reads as follows. The diagram shows the graph of x squared plus y squared equals 30.25. Use the graph to find estimates for the solutions of the simultaneous equations x squared plus y squared equals 30.25 and y minus 2x equals 1. So I've already got the product for x squared plus y squared equals 30.25. I need to draw the equation of the line for y equals minus 2x plus 1, but I need it to be in the form y equals mx plus c. Which would be y equals 2x plus 1. So I've plotted the graph y equals 2x plus 1, and where they intersect, those are the values, so I can read the x and y. So it'll be 2.1, 5.1, and here it's minus 2.9, minus 4.7. Those are the answers. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more GCSE Maths papers, further maths, UKMT. Bye.